front of me I've got Turtle Beach Stealth Pivot. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to dedicated app. In the beginning, make sure that your controller is connected with your PC via USB dongle or via cable. Next, turn it on, then go to Microsoft Store and download Turtle Beach Control Center 2. Install the app. Make sure that the controller is turned on and the controller should be automatically recognized by the app. If it's not, turn it off and then turn it on again. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.